In this video, I'll show you how to delete chat from both sides on Instagram, also known as unsending Instagram messages, so no one can see them anymore. First, open the Instagram app on your phone. Then go to your messages by tapping the messenger icon at the bottom in the middle. Now, to delete your message, freeze on the message you want to remove. After then, click on the delete option. To delete a message from both sides on Instagram, open the Instagram conversation message. Press and hold the message you want to remove. You'll see a few options appear. Tap on Unsend. Once you confirm, the message will be deleted instantly from both your side and the other person's chat. If you want to delete multiple messages, you'll need to repeat the same process for each message, because Instagram doesn't currently allow deleting all messages at once from both sides. Also, keep in mind that the other person might have already seen the message before you unsend it, so act quickly if needed. So yeah, that's how you can delete Instagram messages from both sides, unsend chats, and manage your Instagram conversations easily.